Hi, this is Anthony Green, and this is my first Lego review, and it's here, and we're here with, and I'm here with my dad, and today we're gonna be reviewing my first Lego table. And for what we did is because this red piece was loose, and look at the bottom. My dad selected some spray on glue, and we used this sad face scraper, if you can see here, and then we scraped it off like that. And then it just came off, but not that easily. It's not like that's all you have to do. Well, that is all you have to do. It's just like you gotta put more